Today we're going to be making this very correct assurance afang soup, and in this video I'll be sharing mistakes that people make while making their afang soup that never turns out right. So you want to stick to the end for this. Hey lovelies, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You want your proteins to be well seasoned, so I used male goat meat, stockfish, and I used red and yellow rodo for that little heat. But if you cannot handle it, stick with your red rodo. I added in enough seasoning, water, and then I covered to cook. Go ahead and add in quality palm oil, and then I added in dried crayfish into this and went ahead to add in my smoked fish. Properly combine your proteins together and then add in your green fresh water leaf. So the first mistake people make is not using adequate amount of their vegetables, that's their water leaf and their afang leaf. So sometimes it's overly watery and sometimes it can be dry, so you need to find the right ratio. And for me, I like to do 70% of water leaf and 30% of afang, or 60-40, because the water leaf is going to disappear into thin air. This is where I add my periwinkles and more seasoning to taste. So now you add in your second portion of palm oil. Trust me, this food is not for fit fam, and just follow me through. You want to add your palm oil in stages. I also added in more periwinkles even after showing you the previous one, because this food was stocked up with periwinkles and protein like the client wanted. So you mix this gently, but the mistake I made is that I didn't use a bigger pot for this. Another mistake people make is using the wrong protein, whereby they substitute the protein that does not really complement the flavor profile of afang soup. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So in as much as you're saying use any protein you like, there is a specific protein that has been labeled with afang soup. Now for the style of this dish, you add in your afang leaf, and the final mistake people make is ignoring the texture. Because I was, pressed for time, I did not pound my afang leaf, and failing to blend or chop your leaves or pound it adequately can result in an unappealing texture even while you are tasting it. So because I didn't have so much time on my hand and I do not like to blend my afang leaf based on my preference, I just thinly sliced it and then went ahead to add it to my water leaf. But it's best that you pound your afang, let it be like a paste, so to say, add it to this soup, and go ahead and finally add in your last palm oil. Trust me, these palm oil stages that I'm saying, it makes a whole lot of difference to this soup. Just try it out and let me know. And yes, my clients enjoyed it and requested for more. Let me know if you'll be trying this out, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions of any kind, type it down in my comment section down below and I'll do well to answer it.